Hey, what's up guys? It's your boys G&J's Danger Zone again, and we're back and we're bringing today and
Done the barrel that's been recoated because it was damaged, a new Wiseco piston. 505 this is, CC 4-stroke, 100mm bore, 95.5.
Look at that guys, look inside the bore, freaking clean.
Yeah,
mint.
Barrel's been cleaned, acid dipped and redone. I've had to have 4 new valves because it dropped a valve and it smashed everything to pieces, as you can see. That doesn't matter, it's on the combustion side, it's not on the compression ring, so there's no issues of sealing there. So yeah, I bought 2 valves, had to have the seats recut, a new guide put in because that was smashed to pieces as well. The valve turned sideways and pushed through into the water jacket, so I've had to have that repaired as well. Yeah, a bit extensive damage on this, so I've got a new plug coming. So yeah, we'll be. I've just installed the valves there, so that's the springs in. Yeah, so it's just a case of finishing up now.
So hopefully, this wasn't your bike in the first place, so we don't even know if this runs it, so it's a complete.
No, it did. I do know the person I bought it off, and they said it was running with them, and it just went and it stopped, and loads of steam come out. So that's about right. Made a load of jingling noise and then stopped. So
hopefully, not caused much damage.
Well, yeah, it's done a load of damage, but hopefully we fixed it all.
Yeah.
With a bit of luck.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, so now we've got to clean the head face back up again. That's so fucking terrible.
I know, whatever that was.
It's a bit cleaner than that, really. That looks pretty good, actually. Yeah, it's good to go on. I don't know if the brushes will be alright. So. What a fucking mess. That's a broken rocker finger. That snapped when the valve jammed as well. So obviously the valve got jammed, the cam's come round and pushed on the end of that, and the valve's come up and snapped it off. So I've got a new one of them as well, luckily. Right. A bit of oil around it for the flash to turn over when it goes. It's a hell of a unit. Bloody hell.
It is. And obviously guys, stay tuned because this will be going up the farm with us very soon.
Yeah, indeed.
Look at this. Look at this. Very short. He drives every day on these. Have a sip now. No, genuine, have a sip. Put it on your seat, good? That's. have a second that. Genuinely, the bloke plays every day and no, we have controls. But the bloke's short, you can't have nothing else. 10 more. What? Gears? What mode is it? Yeah, 18. That's what nice one for that. Oh,
If I find that drill, I'll drop it into you.
yeah, sounds good. Nice one. Top man. See you later. Ta-ra.
See ya.
See you, dude. What have you done, James?
Clumsy clubs. Knock shit over with it.
The pattern. The pattern.
Edit it later.
Yeah, you get it.
See what?
Is there more sound than what's going on?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
Oh, little lollipop.
Not quite yet. Don't rush, James. Take your time.
Done, mate.
I know what.
Yeah, well, that's when things go wrong.
She's frustrated, I know, but take your time, man. It's fuck. I've done it years ago. Rush things. Nah.
I've always done it, boys.
Fuck it.
I've always done it.
Sometimes you just gotta get things done.
Right, now. There's a wheel that I think needs to go in to all that and then slide it all on, maybe. Might get that in afterwards.
He's going to be the death of him.
Nah, I'd be right, man. When this thing gets done, then we can the grass in.
I've got trees to do and Julian's.
I did a good song.
But Julian's has just to go up there to do it again.
Not
Yeah,
message me. Did nothing.
No, he stopped me the other day. And I said, oh, when I see Tim, I haven't fucking seen you really. And
Yeah, son.
you fucking said the other day they need to be cut, but I drove past the other day, Tim. Fucking like a... Oh, he's recording. Fucking...
Let's go, boys. Going back on.
Hang on a second. Small end drop down bearing. Not small end. Bearing just dropped out then, shot down and back off.
Cool.
Bloody head look. Let the monkey have a go. Give him up. Go in. All the seagulls. There she is.
Just don't fit on there, this is the problem.
Just pushing the bedding up again.
There's all oil all over the gasket. How does that fit in there then? Can't do, I must have to shove that in once it's on from the top.
Don't know, I wouldn't
How do
imagine
you get the chain through?
Yeah, well, I wouldn't imagine, so it's got to be in within, I think, yeah. Like you were doing. Never done it before, boys, and to be honest, by the look of it, I wasn't going to get my hands involved in it. Like you said, people don't want to do the work, but James can do it, so let him do it, innit? He knows
He's
what he
having
can
a
do.
go, that's the fucking
No, fair
thing.
play to him, and go, fuck boys, he's good. He'll have a go.
That's the thing, he's having a go.
And he won't give up.
No.
He'll get it right, won't he?
Doesn't fit up through that way.
No, he's dropping in, do you, or what?
Must be.
This chain don't separate by any
Let me
chance.
put this under the wheel.
Stretching out.
He'll never pass over. Don't think so.
What, slightly? Ding in the face.
It's all you now, right, James?
Yeah.
I don't want to touch it. No, he's tried putting it up, the can't go on, slide it for the bottom.
It's not coming up all the power, I think. You know, you're going to fucking get in and slide in position. Look at the little width of it. This is
Oh,
going in.
no, it don't make sense, does it?
No. I was thinking use Zala to hold the wheel up, do the other way like you were. Bump, hold up in here.
Because, yeah, that'll go down into it, but the chain's...
He's not going to get around there.
No.
It's got to come from below, central. And I reckon hold that, look, James. Underneath that, look. Hold it up with that. Yeah. So you can whack it up to that bit. Carl, you would know where to start with them.
That'd be in a bin, be in the scrapyard.
To be honest, but it's a tricky game. Very shit game. And a cable tie. Round that. Temporary tie.
There's ain't enough room for it to go up.